Hi everyone, it's Fiona Fernandez here. I've got a box and I'm going to open it. I have already cut it, so just open it. So I put in my pre-order this week. So as a demonstrator with Stampin' Up, we can put in a pre-order the month before the new catalogue comes out, which is very exciting because it means you get to order some of the products early, and then we can make things and play with them early, which is lots of fun. And I've got this as well, which is very exciting. I'm very excited. Okay, so I bought a few things. I've got the snail mail twine combo pack, and that's pink and white. I wonder if it says what colours. No, I'd have to look that up in the book for the colours. So that's the twine. And part of that set, we've got resin hearts embellishments. They're cute. And what else have I got? I've got the kangaroo dies. So that goes with, which one is it? Where is it? Not that one. Kangaroo Company. So they're the dies that go with that, and they're so cute, the kangaroos. And we've got Hello Baby. I can do all sorts of little ones with that. So I'll just put these out on the bed. And I've got Snailed It. So I've bought the whole set for this one. Snailed It, Snailed Eyes. So they go with Snailed It. And you've got your little happy mail, little mushroom. Aren't they cute? So cute. And I've got Handmade for You. I bought that one because I am byfihandcrafts and I do a lot of handmade things, so I can make my cards and stamp them. This one also has the Stampin' Up copyright logo, so if you're going to make cards and sell them, then you need to be putting this on the back of your cards so you can sell them, and there's certainly information about that in the paperwork if you wanted to join Stampin' Up and sell your cards. And this is one of the celebration file papers, Oh So Ombre. Very pretty paper. So starting January and February, there'll be celebration for 2 months, and you earn on $90 that you spend, you get to choose a free item. So that paper is one of those free items, and there's other things in the celebration brochure, which if you're on my mailing order list, then you'll get some soon, very soon. They'll be sent out. This is a touch of ink, and this is one of the celebration items as well, but I actually won this at the Onstage event recently, and they do random draws and you get given a number. So if your number comes up, everybody gets a turn, the way they work it, but we don't know what we're going to get until they actually do the number draw. So I got that one, a touch of ink, and I believe that's one of the celebration items for if you spend $180. So that's a really nice one. I've also bought Let's Create Together, and this is something I can purchase as a demonstrator. So it's got some great things there. I can make cards for my team. So if you'd like to join my team, you're welcome. We're the Busy Bees. And this is the Whisper White Note Cards and Envelopes. I've decided to purchase some of those because I haven't before. And I thought I'd see what they were like. So that's what they look like. I've got some, I'll smooth those. I've got some brochures, catalogues. I didn't get my celebration catalogues yet. I'll get them next time. I've got some more catalogues in case you weren't on my list to get them in the mail yet. Certainly let me know and I'll get them out to you. So that starts in January. And down the bottom here we have Love You Always foil sheets. I'll just open that one, I think, and see what's in it, because we can't see it. Oh, sorry about the noise. Let's have a look at this. Take that off. So it comes very nicely packaged. Oh, wow. Where are they? Oh, look at that. There we go. We can see me now. Oh, I'm all blurry. So they're pretty. They're very pretty. There's two colours, I think, by the look at that. Oh, look at that one. It's like a rose. Rose, there I am again. There we go. It's like a mirror. I can see myself. They're pretty. Very nice. Glittery. And this one is the Snail Mail Designer Series paper that I've ordered with the set. Aren't they cute? Little snails. And I'll just open them. Why not? While we're at it. Be careful of that sticky on that side when you're opening these things. I'm just going to fold that down so it doesn't stick to my packet. Done that before. And this is, oh wow, look at the bright colours in there. Love it. Little snails. Snails and dots. Oh, that's nice too. And some mushrooms. Yeah, mushrooms, more snails. Oh, I love that colour. Oh wow, this is cool. Look at that. Hello, hello, bonjour. Oh, they're gorgeous. See, lots of fun coming up with those. I might play with those at Christmas time when my little granddaughter's here. Stand back over there. And lastly, let me push that down there. We have something special. Something special. Let's get into this. I haven't opened this yet. Careful of that. Go too deep. Stuck on well. Right, there we go. Put that up. Has anyone guessed what it is yet? Oh. Ready? Ooh, packaged very well. Excitement plus. Ooh. Oh, look at that. The little baby. The baby one. It's the mini cutter and emboss machine. What's it called? It's called the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. It's finally arrived. We've been waiting for this one. Look at that. Woohoo! And the handle comes on it already. Oh, how cute is that? So you can see how big it is by my hands next to it. And that is so gorgeous. Look at that. So they have, in the catalogues, it'll show you if something's suitable for the mini cut and emboss machine. And they've got a little mini written next to them. So there's embossing folders as well as dies that will fit through here. So what a cute little embossing machine. How lovely. And then we can just travel with that. It's a bit lighter than the bigger one. And of course I want to get back to doing classes eventually with people in person. So then I'll have two on my table for people to use. Oh, that's gorgeous. So this will be available in January to order for customers. If you want to get your hands on it earlier, then you're welcome to join my team and talk to me about how to do that. So thank you for watching my unboxing, and I'll see you again Wednesday night. Ciao.